In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use your mobile phone as a remote on your Firestick. So to do this, it is a pretty simple process. So the first thing you will need to do is just head over to your Play Store. Once you head over to your Play Store, you can search for Firestick Remote. Once you search for Firestick Remote, you will need to download and install the Amazon Fire TV, which is this one here. So you can look through and then you can install this. So once you've gone ahead and installed this, all you simply need to do is click on open. So what this will do is it will bring up any Fire TV stick that you have which is running. So go ahead, select the one that you want to use this as a remote on. So I will select this one here, and then as you can see it is now connecting. And then what that will do is it will display a number on your TV, and then once you enter it in this box here, you should be good to go. Once you enter in the number into this app, as you can see, this is what you'll be presented with. So you will get all the familiar buttons that you would see on a regular remote, but obviously it's just on your mobile phone. So this is how you can use your phone as a remote on your Firestick if you've lost it or anything like that. If this video did help you out, please let me know in the comments down below, drop a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.